Hi YouTube people, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and today we are talking about the irrational equations type 1. Are you ready? So, join us!
Hi, my friends. Here we are back again. This is our class number 2 of 5. Still talking about the irrational equations. Now we are going to solve some exercise about irrational equations step 1, the easiest kind. All right. Let's see our opening. As we already know, this is our channel of Mathematics Without Frontiers. And here we have classes of physics, mathematics, and English in two versions, one in Portuguese and the other one in English. Go there and visit our classes in Portuguese. They are also wonderful. All right, let's see. As I told you before, now we are going to do some exercise, okay, about the irrational equations. Type 1, the easiest type. Let's see. Find the solution set for the equations below. Let's see type 1. So let's see question A. So here we have the square root of x plus 3 equals to 4. Well, we want to eliminate that radical from there. Okay, so we have to take this equation, both sides of this equation, to the square, okay, in order to eliminate, okay, in order to cancel out that radical. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. All right, so see, I took both sides of the equations to the square. All right, so now I'm going to cancel out the radical here and here. Okay, so 4 squared is 4 times 4, that is 16. So it remains x plus 3 equals to 16. Okay, so that positive 3 comes to the right side of the equation negatively. So we have that x is 16 minus 3, that is 13. So x is 13. Well, it is supposed to be 13 because before giving the solution set, we have to check if it is really an answer. Let's check if x is really 13. It's easy. We have to replace the supposed value of x, that is 13, there in the equation. All right, so let's do it. We have that the square root of 13 plus 3 is equal to 4. Well, 13 plus 3 is 16. So we have that the square root of 16 is 4. Really? So 4 is equal to 4. It is true. And if it is true, we can give the solution set. So the solution set is now I am sure that it is 13. Okay, so far so good. Let's see question B. Remember, this is the easiest situation. Okay, so now I have the third power right there. You can see cubic root. So see what I'm going to do. I'm going to take both sides. What's the convenient, okay, exponent? Third power. Okay, so I cubed both sides of the equation. Okay, so now I'm going to cancel that root, cubic root right there, that radical. So you can see I cancel out 3 and 3. So what remains? Don't forget that 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. So I have that 3x minus 7 is 8. That negative 7 comes to the right side of the equation positively. So I have that 3x is 8 plus 7. Well, 8 plus 7 is 15. Now we have that 3x is 15. That number 3 comes to the right side of the equation dividing. Great. So I have that x is 15 over 3, that is 5. So x is supposed to be 5. I have to check. Let's do it. So checking, I have that x is 5. Let's check in the equation. Okay, so let's replace the supposed value of x. Now I have the cubic. Okay, the cubic root of 3 times 5 minus 7 is 2. Well, 3 times 5 is 15. So we have that the cubic root of 15 minus 7 is 2. Well, 15 minus 7 is 8 it is. So I have that the cubed, okay, the cubed root of 8 is 2. Yes, it is. So 2 is equal to 2. It is true. And if it is true, really, x is 5. So we can give the solution set. So the solution set is 5. Now I'm sure it is. Let's see question C. Now I have the cubed root of the square root of 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so now the convenient exponent now is third power. Okay, so let's prepare everything. Okay, now let's cube both sides of the equation. You can see? Excellent. Now let's cancel out that radical, that cubed radical. You can see? Excellent. Now what remains? The square root of 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Now, what's the convenient exponent? Yes, second power. So let's square both sides of the equation. You can see? Now let's cancel out that radical here and here. So what remains? 2x minus 8 equals to, well, 0 to the cube is 0. 0 times 0 times 0 is 0. And now 0 to the 0 squared is 0 times 0, that is 0 as well. So I have that 2x minus 8 is 0. That negative 8 comes to the right side positively. So I have 2x is 8. And that number 2, okay, comes to the right side dividing. So x is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So x is supposed to be 4. Let's check. So checking if x is 4. I have that. The cubed root of the square root of 2x minus 8 is 0. Well, x is supposed to be 4. So let's replace this value right here. Okay, so I have the cubed root of the square root of, well, 2 times 8 is 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Let's do it step by step. We can see. So 8 minus 8 is 0. You can see. And so what is the square root of 0? It is 0. Great. And what is the cubic root of 0? It is also 0. So 0 is equal to 0. It is true. So the solution set is really 4. All right. Very good. So now let's wish you our special thanks. Okay, so thank you for watching our video to the end. It is very, very important for the increasement of our channel. Subscribe to our channel. It is also very important for us. Share this video with all those people you love, your friends, your classmates, your neighbors, everybody you love. And of course, send us your like. It is also very, very important for us. Thank you very much. I'm your teacher, Regy Safadão, wishing you an excellent week. Bye-bye.
That's all, folks.